So today we're gonna put a boneless, skinless chicken breast that we're gonna fry in a buttermilk batter and a spicy flour. And we're gonna put that on a bun with my homemade bread and butter pickles. You can get that recipe online, or you can just buy bread and butter pickles at the grocery store. But what makes this fried chicken sandwich is the ranch slaw dressing that goes on top. So I started with some onion, garlic, and jalapeno pepper. For the dressing, we're gonna start with 1 clove of garlic, about a half a palmful of celery seed, a fat splash of white vinegar, some buttermilk. This is to thin the dressing and add tang. And for the base, I like to use Greek yogurt or sour cream. Parsley, dill, and chives. Throw in a little bit of hot sauce. You can buy a sack of Slaw salad mix. Okay, that's the slaw. When we come back, we'll make the chicken right after this. We have our spicy ranch slaw. These are boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So I put a couple of cups of AP flour in this bowl, and I seasoned it with salt and pepper already. We're gonna divide it because we're gonna go flour, buttermilk, flour again, into the hot oil. For the flour, salt and pepper already, half a palmful of cayenne to give it a little heat. Then a scant palmful of white pepper, which hits your tongue at a totally different place than the black pepper and really adds to depth of flavor. Paprika, scant palmful. And cumin. And we all know this drill, right? Shake off the excess. Buttermilk, shake off excess, back to dry. I'm gonna take a quick break while we're starting to fry the chicken. When we come back, we'll build sandwiches. Our chicken is getting nice and extra crispy. 2 pieces at a time so they get deep golden. These look absolutely perfect. Keep your backup in the oven so they stay nice and crisp. Yeah, they're tasty, but they're about to get even tastier. Okay, so here's how we roll. Haha. Our homemade or store-bought bread and butter pickles. Again, you can get my recipe online. Yeah. And then you top it with your spicy slaw. I know. Look, it's an actual blue plate special.